All right, here we go. It's Tuesday. It's March 23rd. What does that mean? It means we are now officially 1 year. That's right, 1 year into this bull market. It was March 23rd, 2020, when the market hit its lows down roughly 30%. Since that time, over a 12-month period, we've seen the S&P and the Dow Jones rally 75%. The Nadex rallied 90%. And the Russell 2000's up 126%. Massive moves in the market. Certainly been a lot of opportunity for traders out there to take advantage of some of this price action. Now, heading into today, it's a big day on Capitol Hill as we have Fed Chairman Jerome Powell and Treasury Secretary Yellen testifying for 2 days before Congress. It's going to be a lot of talk around rising interest rates. It's going to be a lot of talk around the pandemic. It's going to be a lot of talk around stimulus measures and the response to the pandemic. So keep your eyes posted on that. 2 days could move markets, certainly could move rates, which could have an impact on the stock market as we've seen over the past couple weeks. Heading into that, markets, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, all trading lower, albeit modestly. The dollar's stronger right now. Rates are trading lower. Oil trading lower. Let's see what shakes out today. I'll talk with you folks tomorrow.